In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be going through a TRX squat and calf raise. So this is a combination of two exercises put together for the added benefit of working your quadriceps, glutes and hamstrings in your squat movement, as well as getting in an additional bit of calf activation as well. So first things first, what I want you to do is I want you to set up the TRX, and you're going to have the TRX handles in line with the front of your hip. So find your hip bone, that is where the TRX foam handles are going to be. Now what we're going to do firstly is, so you can see this best on the camera, when I'm in my squat position with the TRX, I'm feet hip width apart, and what I've got is my feet are pointing very slightly out away from my body. When we come into the squat, that's going to look like this. So I'm going to bend my knees. I'm then going to come back up using the hips, trying to keep a nice straight back when I do my squat movement. The difference is that when I do the squat movement and I come out of the squat, I'm now going to raise my heels off the floor at the end of the motion. So let's go through what that looks like on a TRX. So first things first, I'm going to walk out until I feel the tension of the TRX. So when you're walking out in this position with your arms bent or your elbows bent, once you get to the point of tension, you're then going to come back. Make sure your feet are hip width apart and they're pointing slightly out. Now in this position, try not to use your arms at all other than to guide you in the movement. So don't start doing a row upwards. You're going to come down into your squat as low as is comfortable. Once you come up, you're then going to do your calf raise at the end, so bringing your heels off the floor. So you come into your squat movement, come up and get the calf raise right at the end of the movement. When you do the squat and calf raise, that's one repetition, and you're going to repeat for your desired amount of sets and reps. That's how to do a TRX squat with an added calf raise at the end of the movement.